So today we'll be discussing about rock, papers, or scissors. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the app marketplace and search for rock, paper, or scissors. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts. You can choose them all. It's up to you. And after choosing all, you can just enable automatic future installations. I am just showing you right now, but I am just using my specific sub account for the time being to set an example. Continue with that, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards our agency level. It is loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed rock, paper, or scissors. Just taking a while right now. Here we go. From here, you can just choose location 1. Here we are on the location 1. Now we have to find for the automations in the navigation bar to create a workflow and start from scratch and or from anywhere to just check on the actions are working correctly or not. The automations is here in the navigation bar. Click on it and after that just create a workflow. Got it. Here we are in our workflow builder. Now we have to create a new action and have a look what rock, paper, or scissors is providing us. Here it is. Here is the action rock, paper, scissors. You can play with that. And in that action, you will be having three options rock, paper, or scissors. You can choose any of them. Save this action. Now save the whole. Now we will be testing our workflows. Choose any of your contact for the time being and head towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action is successfully executed now. It is that simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.